Hey everybody, Charlie with Russ Darrow, Kia Waukesha here, and today I'm going to do a brief video comparison between our new Kia Forte and our brand new 2025 Kia K5. This Kia Forte here is a deep sea blue exterior color with a black interior color. It has a 1.6 liter intercooled turbo 4-cylinder engine, and it's won several awards. 2022, 2023, and 2024, it won Best Value for compact cars. This does have a 7-speed automatic transmission. I love that exterior color, and then I really love the rims on this here as well. You can see that this is a really sporty, nice look. It has a great value, and that's why it's won awards for 3 years in a row. But honestly, guys, this 2025 K5 is what really steals the show for me. That wolf gray exterior color, it has a super sharp red interior color here as well. I love that combo. The engine is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 16-inch alloy wheels with the new rims. Look how sharp those rims look. And then that grille is looking as sharp as ever here. But how everything comes together for an MSRP of just over $32,000 is absolutely insane to me. That's why this vehicle in particular has won awards for several years in a row as well, including Best Value Vehicle for Teens and Best Mid-Size Sedan as well. So honestly, to me, this looks like an Audi, except it's half the price. I'm going to give you guys a look at the interior portions of each vehicle here. And, you know, they're going to have more similarities than differences. The main differences are going to be the look on the exterior portion of the vehicle here between the two. The size, obviously, and then with the K5, you're going to have a larger size by about 500 pounds and a larger engine as a result, but both are 4-cylinder engines. Here's a brief look at the interior portion of the K5 here. And the main difference is going to be the infotainment center is a bit larger in the K5. There's 12.3 inches for this guy here. And then the settings between how you adjust the climate, which you can tap for this guy here. If you actually spin this knob here, right, you're going to obviously control the temperature here as well. But you can tap this again here, and it just goes back to your standard radio settings here as well. And I wanted to show you guys also, look at the red interior. That is so sharp and so sporty. And then, of course, with summer, boom, we got the panoramic moonroof. As you guys can see off the bat in the Forte, the steering wheel just looks a little bit different. The touchscreen is a little bit smaller. And then the actual climate adjustments are down here, and then the radio adjustments are up here, which is a little bit different again compared to the K5. The seat adjustments on this one are manual as well, but the seats look super sharp. Look, it's got that GT badging here, that nice black interior color, but look at the red stitching on here as well. I'm a huge fan of that. Relatively solid room in the center console here. And then you're also going to have both heated and ventilated seats in this one here as well. But I want to give you guys a look into the back seat here as well. Pretty spacious for a Forte. A lot of people don't think this is going to be a spacious vehicle, but I can easily fit in the back seats here. So that was a real brief explanation of the similarities and differences between the two, but what do you guys think? K5 here or the Forte? You know, price between the two are just under $5,000 in difference. I really love this new K5 here, but you can't go wrong with the Forte. I think both are great options. If you guys want to test drive either of these, contact us here at 262-444-5445. Just ask for sales, and we'd be glad to assist you. Otherwise, take care. Happy summer. We'll see you guys soon.